During a campaign rally in Karimnagar, Telangana, Prime Minister Narendra Modi introduced a new focal point to his electoral narrative, accusing the Congress party of striking a purported deal with the business tycoons Gautam Adani and Mukesh Ambani. Both Adani and Ambani, hailing from Gujarat, have been the center of allegations concerning preferential treatment by the Modi government, with opposition voices claiming that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has facilitated the alleged selling of the country to these industrialists. Hello and welcome. This is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. PM Modi said, and I quote, "I want to ask from the Telangana soil, let the Shehzada," referring to Rahul Gandhi, "announce how much has been lifted from Ambani and Adani. Has tempo, loads of money reached to Congress? What deal has been reached that abusing Ambani and Adani has stopped overnight?" Rahul Gandhi took a dig at PM Modi for his businessman and Adani Ambani sent their money in tempo statement, asking if he was speaking from his personal experience. He said, "Modi ji, are you little scared? Normally, you talk about Ambani and Adani behind closed doors, but for the first time you have talked about Ambani and Adani in public. Do one thing, send the CBI and ED team to them, carry out a thorough investigation and don't be scared," Rahul Gandhi further said in Hindi in a video posted on X, formerly known as Twitter.
नमस्कार मोदी जी, थोड़ा सा घबरा गए क्या? नॉर्मली आप बंद कमरों में अदानी जी अंबानी जी की बात करते हो, पहली बार आपने पब्लिक में अदानी अदानी अंबानी बोला। और आपको ये भी मालूम कि ये टेम्पो में पैसा देते हैं, क्या ये आपका पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है क्या? एक काम कीजिए, CBI को इनके पास भेजिए ना, पूरी जानकारी करिए, इंक्वायरी कराइए, जल्दी से जल्दी कराइए, घबराइए मत मोदी जी। और मैं देश को फिर से दोहरा के कह रहा हूँ, जितना पैसा नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने इनको दिया है ना, उतना ही पैसा हम हिंदुस्तान के गरीब लोगों को देने जा रहे हैं। महालक्ष्मी योजना, पहली नौकरी पक्की योजना, इन योजनाओं के माध्यम से करोड़ों लाखपति बनाएंगे हम। इन्होंने 22 अरबपति बनाए हैं, हम करोड़ों लाखपति बनाएंगे।
Now let's listen to PM Modi's speech and discuss it further.
आपने देखा होगा ये कांग्रेस के शहजादे पिछले 5 साल से सुबह उठते ही माला जपना शुरू करते थे। जब से उनका राफेल वाला मामला ग्राउंडेड हो गया, तब से उन्होंने एक नई माला जपना शुरू किया। 5 साल से एक ही माला जपते थे, 5 उद्योगपति, 5 उद्योगपति, 5 उद्योगपति। फिर धीरे धीरे कहने लगे अंबानी अडानी, अंबानी अडानी, अंबानी अडानी। 5 साल से। लेकिन जब से चुनाव घोषित हुआ है, इन्होंने अंबानी अडानी को गाली देना बंद कर दिया। मैं आज तेलंगाना की धरती से पूछना चाहता हूं, जरा ये शहजादे घोषित करें कि इस चुनाव में ये अंबानी अडानी से कितना माल उठाया है, काले धन के कितने बोरे भर करके रुपये मारे हैं, क्या टेम्पो भर करके नोटे कांग्रेस के लिए पहुंची है क्या? क्या सौदा हुआ है? आपने रातों रात अंबानी अडानी इनको गाली देना बंद कर दिया। जरूर दाल में कुछ काला है। 5 साल तक अंबानी अडानी को गाली दी और रातों रात गालियां बंद हो गई। मतलब कोई न कोई चोरी का माल टेम्पो भर भर करके आपने पाया है। ये जवाब देना पड़ेगा देश को।
First things first, the premise of Modi's speech that the Congress in general and Rahul Gandhi in particular have stopped talking about Ambani and Adani during the elections is incorrect. Contrary to PM Modi's assertion, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi and the party have consistently criticized the influence of Gautam Adani and Mukesh Ambani during the election campaign. On May 7th, Rahul Gandhi said he has 22 to 25 friends like Adani and Ambani, and whatever work is being done for them only. The land is for them, the forest is for them, the media is there, infrastructure is there, flyovers are there, patrols is there, everything is for them. On May 2nd, in Shivamoga, Karnataka, Rahul Gandhi criticized the government's alleged favoritism towards Adani and Ambani. He said, in last 10 years, he has worked for 22 people. He put India's wealth in the pockets of 22 people. In the pockets of Adani, Ambani and such people, we are going to make crores of lakpatis. He added. On April 24th, Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge said, what's happening in this country? That there are two sellers and two buyers. The sellers are Modi and Shah and the buyers are Ambani and Adani at an election rally in Coimbatore. On April 12th, Rahul Gandhi said, and I quote, Narendra Modi and Adani policies have created two India. One India is of billionaires and the other India is of poor people. He had also raised the matter to two billionaires and growing wealth multiple times during the Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra. Gandhi's criticism of government's alleged favoritism towards the affluent dates back to 2015, when he was famously coined the term as Soot Boot Ki Sarkar to describe the Modi administration. Despite criticism, he has persisted highlighting the issues such as Rafale deal with close ties between government and big business. While Modi's assertion regarding the opposition's focus on Adani and Ambani may be disputed, the concerns regarding the influence of big business in India's economic policies persist. According to India Today Mood of the Nation poll, 52% of respondents believe that economic strategies favor large corporations. If PM Modi believes of a deal between prominent business figures like Ambani Adani with Congress party, then why is there no formal investigation? Does the lack of investigation implies that these accusations are merely a part of election rhetoric, or there are other factors at play? Do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments. Lastly, here's a short snippet of our managing editor Sujit Nair in conversation with Mumbai BJP President Ashish Shelar. Catch the full interview this Friday at 8 p.m. on HW News English. Download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates.
When you are into politics and when you want to make a Modi Parivar as a big Parivar, and when you have to deal with the opposition which is trying to unite themselves and trying to finish you, Women's Party, in that sense, when you have addition in your Parivar, this question, this allegation comes. I welcome these allegations. I have no hesitation to reply to the same. But my reply is into the form of question. Those who are telling us as a washing machine, I am calling them as a painting machine.
What is the numbers that you see in Maharashtra?
Very frankly, what I see, the voting percent which has happened, the campaign which has been took place, and the candidates who have done a campaign, I feel that will surely cross 40 as alliance.
40.
40. 40.
A lot of
4th June, 4 p.m., 40 plus.